Well, hello everyone, and welcome to the Panzer 38T light tank in 1/72nd scale that we'll be building for the Battle for the Reichstag Diorama. Haven't worked on that one for a while. Well, to be honest, I haven't really been working on much of anything for a while, huh? Well, we're gonna get back into it, as I stated in another video, and it's when the weather's nice, I like to do stuff outside. But we need to continue on with these projects as well. So very easy. Looks like we got 4 steps here. Yep, 4 steps. And I think we shall start with we'll start with step 1, huh? So we are going to need, we're going to dive right into it here. Snip this part off, and nothing's really numbered. There isn't much for parts, so it's really not that hard to find where they are. Famous last words. Before I drop one of them on the floor. But we need this. We need the upper turret, and I'm just gonna sand down where it broke off the screw there. There we go, right there, and we'll give that a sand. For that, and it looks like we need to choose between an open and a closed hatch. I'm going closed hatch on this one, as I did with the other one, which is right here. That. What else do we need? We are going to need the front of the turret, which is this it? Yes, this right here. Looks like the machine gun goes in the round hole part. Oh, I'm already dropping stuff. There, and that looks like our barrel right there, so we need that. Let's see, how much of that do I cut off? Oh, cut it right off there. They give you plenty of spot. There's our barrel. That one's going to be hard to see. And then we need our machine gun. Where did that go? Is that on the same one? I missed it. No? That don't look like it. Oh, here they are, right here. Got 2 of them. They're both the same size. No, the bigger one goes on the bottom. So we want this one. Right there. Put this off to the side here. These pieces, because we aren't gonna need those for a minute. So we have our upper and lower turret. We have our cupola. We have the machine gun, we have the barrel right there hiding kind of, and then we got the front face of the turret. So let us put this together first, I think. Just checking the fit. It actually fits really nice. Let's get our glue over here so we can start cementing this here. I did not clean these parts, did I? I'm getting ahead of myself. Gotta clean them up. Well, I guess I don't have to, but I want it to fit right and look right. I should probably do that. So now I'm just going to put some glue on the end of these nubs. Just go like so. Push it down, hold it for a sec. I'm also gonna put some around here. Permanently weld it. A little bit here on the front too. This is like so. Hopefully I don't regret not putting the front face on, but I think for alignment purposes you'd want these two together first. Let's see how this fits. Well, it fits awfully nicely actually. Plugs right in there like a Lego or something. So I'm going to put the front face on, put the hatch on the top, and then we'll put the guns on last because we don't want them to break off. Here's some glue on there. Make sure we're putting it the right way. And get it on there. Like so. And we'll also go around the perimeter to make sure it's glued down nice and good. On the sides. Bottom part here. And we'll get the top quick. Like that. Now we need to see which direction the hinge goes to the side, it looks like. There's holes for it. Oh, there's like a little... Oh, there is another piece. I was like, what's this hole for? But there's that one I thought was the machine gun at first goes there, looks like. But the hatch goes like that. So let's go ahead and get some glue. These holes here in this area. Mount that. Like so. And then we'll go around the perimeter of that to make sure everything's nice and secure. Like that. And then I think I will find that other piece again that we put down right there. Oh. place, and we'll just do a little bit of glue on the pin there, and then just put it on there. In good, quick, and there it is. It looks like we need our machine gun and cannon. So let's see, make sure we got this the right way. There is a opening part there where the barrel is, and that looks like that needs to go up. So we have the orientation right. Do the same thing with that. Get some glue on that part, and then just slide it into place. Hold it for a sec, and I think we'll end up, we'll get the front barrel on, the main barrel, and then we shall make sure it's the right direction here. There we go. Want our machine gun facing as straight as it can. It won't go down any further, so that must be the way it's supposed to be. Looks pretty straight on. Alright, let's get the main barrel on. A little bit of flash on it. See if I can get that off quick. Perfect. I'll just slide that in the front. Like so. Looks like it's fully seated. It does have a little bit of up elevation, I noticed. But that's the way they show it. I'll check out the other one here quick. Oh yeah, that one did too. I built one before I started the YouTube channel. So, but there we go. That's our focus. Maybe turn them lights down. Maybe it's not the light. Maybe it's just the camera. There we go. Needed the background of my hand. That's the turret. And that's 13-minute video, so I think we'll call that one, and we'll do step 2 next time. I'd like to thank everyone for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.